Have you ever wondered how hackers manage to break into Wi-Fi networks so easily? It's not as complicated as it sounds. One of their favorite tricks is WPA. WPA to cracking. Hackers use tools to launch brute force or dictionary attacks, essentially guessing passwords by trying countless combinations until they find the right one. And if your password is weak, well, that's an open invitation. Then there's packet sniffing. This is where hackers capture data packets flying through the air from your device to the router. Using tools like Wireshark, they can intercept everything from passwords to sensitive personal information, making it all so easy to steal what's yours. But it doesn't end there. Evil twin attacks involve hackers setting up a fake Wi-Fi network that looks almost identical to a legitimate one. Once unsuspecting users connect, their data is up for grabs, and in a man-in-the-middle attack, the hacker sneaks between your device and the router, silently watching or even altering the data you think is secure. All of these methods show just how vulnerable unprotected Wi-Fi networks can be. So, next time you connect to a Wi-Fi network, think twice, because your data might not be as safe as you think. Oh, and while you're at it, why not like the video, share it with everyone you know, and subscribe to the channel. I mean, who wouldn't want more awesome content like this, right? Keep your Wi-Fi secure ... or don't, I guess.